All right, good morning, everybody. Today is finally Friday. Made it to Friday. Let's do a quick scan here and see if we have any initial setups. So what we're going to be trading this morning is, show you the symbols over here. If you look at the top right-hand corner. As always, every morning we're going to be looking to trade some indices. So we're going to be looking to trade the E-mini S&P 500 RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. YM, your mini Dow, and Q is going to be your mini NASDAQ. GC is going to be gold. We have SI for silver, CL for crude, and NG for natural gas, and BTC for Bitcoin. Then on the currency pairs, we're going to be trading Aussie US, Euro US, and the US yen. On the currency pairs, we're going to be trading our core strategy. It includes 5 different what we call behavioral patterns. We'll be looking for one of those setups on those patterns. And then on the indices and commodities, we're going to be using Einstein. Einstein will provide us with an entry price, a profit target, and a reversal. So if we don't hit profit, we will reverse, and it will generate a new profit target. So we'll do a quick scan here and see if we see any initial setups. Watching ES, we may be getting a potential short on ES, which is our mini S&P. YM has already started in a short. Now NQ is getting a short. NQ, which is going to be your mini NASDAQ, is having a short in here. So let's get a profit target on that. Okay, target on that is going to bring us down to 111.82 and a half. And if we don't hit that, we need to reverse. We're going to reverse at 112.95. As I said, the mini Dow is already coming in short. It has not hit target, so that target is going to be 299.63. That is going to be its profit target. And the reversal, if we don't hit target, 301.88. ES just went short, which is a US 500. That just went short. Target on ES is going to bring us down to 36.72. That is going to be the profit target, 36.72. And if we don't hit target, need to reverse, it's going to be 37.0975. All right, so we have our short on the mini Dow, mini NASDAQ, and ES all short right now. Watching natural gas for potential buy. It's going to be an HF2 buy.
Profit target hit.
All right, we did hit target on that mini Dow. Approaching target on the mini NASDAQ as well as the S&P 500. Okay, that mini NASDAQ is getting close to a profit target of 111.82 and a half. ES is creeping down, getting ready to hit target at 36.72. So those joining us this morning on YouTube and Facebook, thank you. If you have any questions along the way, you can go ahead and put it into the little chat window there or try to get to as many questions as possible. Also, if you like this morning's show, please not only subscribe but give me a thumbs up. It does help my numbers. It does help the show. Also lets me know that you like the content. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so we can keep you updated on any new videos we're going to be releasing here shortly. Okay, so we just hit the mini NASDAQ, so that was target hit. So ES getting real close to hitting target.
target hit.
All right, so we just hit the ES, which is your mini S&P 500, did hit target. Okay, we are now flat. We have no positions on. Possible short coming up on the US yen. We'll watch for that short. Okay, we're coming into just a regular PAP short here on this US yen here. Gonna wait a few more seconds here before we decide to make that short. Okay, that's going to be a 134.49 short, 134.49. Watching RTY, potential short coming up on RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. Right now, it looks like we are going to get a higher opening on the Dow, but I wouldn't be surprised to see it turn around and start going south after we open up. So we just have to wait and see. Looking at our stock scanner, we do have a lot of short setups coming in this morning. Typically means it's going to be a down day. We'll just wait and see, but definitely getting a lot of shorts, a lot of stock short. very quiet on gold and silver. Just not seeing anything. Silver just came out of a buy, but that happened very early this morning. Looks like the yen is reversing on, still short to 49, 13449 gonna exit here. About a minute and a half. But it looks like we had a pretty strong reversal, so that may not work out on that yen. Yen's been really tough here the last few days. It's been really choppy. Yeah, I'll get a buy on the gold. If we can get this gold up to 1855, I'll like that for a long position. But we're not there yet. We're sitting at, what are you at, 51, 1851, almost 1851 and a half. Okay, go ahead and get out of this yen here. That yen's going to be a loss on that short yen. That was a US yen. Maybe a potential short coming up on RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. That is probably the favorite, my favorite of the indices. But I need to see it come down to 1654. If it hits 1654, I do want to take a short on the RTY. Okay, still pretty quiet. No new setups. Still about another 6 minutes before this Dow opens up. I'm expecting a higher opening. Okay, we actually have a short developing here on the gold. So let's take a look at that short. Okay, I have a short right here at 1849 target. It's going to bring us down to 1846. And reversal is going to bring us at 1855. Setting up for a possible double short over here on the Euro US. Yeah, I was opening up. Interesting. Opened up down. Down 89. Down 77. Coming in short on the gold. Now we're getting a short on the Euro US. Euro short is going to be 1.0489. 1.0489. Double short, like these double shorts. Short Euro US, short gold. They can, but actually we can have some pretty good Fridays. So since we're very short-term traders, Glenn, yeah, you do get unwinding of positions. I really don't think anybody wants to be long any kind of stock going. At least the big players don't want to be long any kind of stock going into the weekend. We are showing we're showing a down day today on the Dow, but on as far as the currencies, you could get some unwinding, but it's because of our short-term approach, it really just adds volatility, which is good for us. So don't be afraid of Fridays. Fridays are good days. Oh yeah, Euro US. Tell you one that's been one of the better performers right now is that Euro US. And of course, you have this double pattern short, which is a real strong pattern for core. Interesting. We are getting a buy. We're actually getting a buy right now on the mini Nasdaq. That buy's coming in at 112.57 and a half. Target on that's going to bring us up to 112.95. And if we don't hit target, we're going to reverse on the Nasdaq, mini Nasdaq at 111.82 and a half. All right, so we're long the mini Nasdaq, short gold, and short the Euro US. Profit target hit. All right, so gold hit its target. So get out of gold. So that Leaves us long the mini Nasdaq. And short the Euro US. Getting ready to exit Euro US in about 1 second. All right, nice win on the Euro US. Out of the Euro US. That leaves us only in a long position on the mini Nasdaq, looking for a target of 112.95. Potential buy coming up on your mini Dow. Potential buy coming up on E-mini S&P. Now the Dow is up 92. Good, John. You're already getting closer to your daily goal. Good job. It's been a good morning. Never want to shy away from Fridays. Fridays have been really good to us. All right, we have potential short coming up on the natural gas. If I can come down to 72.95, I want to take a short on that natural gas. Yeah, Glenn, you watching those double paps? They're very strong. Last night we were trading quite a bit with our crystal ball traders, and I took quite a few of those doubles. Had a lot of doubles last night. They were really nice. All right, so just long right now on this mini Nasdaq. Looking for a short coming up on natural gas. Gas has a tendency to move pretty quickly, so it's one of those you want to pounce on pretty quick. If you blink, sometimes you can miss some of these trades here. At least recently it has been that way. Got the crude oil still down, going down. Looks like that Euro US wants to come down some more. Okay, mini Dow just went into a buy as well. Mini Dow went into a buy. ES went into a buy. So let's get target first on ES. Okay, target on that.
Target hit.
Target on that E-mini S&P is going to bring us up to 3709.75. And it will reverse if we don't hit that target, 3672. Let's see here. So the mini NASDAQ did hit target. So out of the mini NASDAQ. And YM already hit target, so I can't give you target on that. It already hit target on the mini Dow. So just long the E-mini S&P. Aussie US has a double short. So there's another double short on the Aussie US. It's going to be a 65 short, 69.65 short on the Aussie US. Calling it a little bit late here. Just couldn't keep up with it though, but that is a 65. It went as high. It went all the way up to 69, 65, 69. So you should have been able to get a really, really good price on that. So that's short at 69.65 on that double Aussie US. 69.65 short. ES trying to get up to target. Target on ES once again, 3709.75. Okay, we get about 30 seconds to go here on the Aussie US. We'll go ahead and get out. Still short 69.65. Long the ES. Still nothing on that natural gas. That'd be an HF1 short on that natural gas. If it triggers. Wow, no go on that. Can't believe that. Did you see what that Aussie US did? Went all the way down to 62.5, came back at the last second. So that is going to be a loss on that double Aussie US. So that just puts us long on ES. E-mini S&P long. Dow's up 177, which in this market is really not that much anymore, right? 165. Wouldn't be surprised to see it down by the end of the day. That on the NQ, you mean the NQ buy? There was an NQ. There was an NQ. The NQ short this morning. We had two trades. We had a short that hit target, and we had a buy that hit target. The short was a pairing pattern short, and that was an HF2 buy on NQ. Pairing pattern short followed by an HF2. HF2 for the buy. And you're in a HF2 buy right now on the ES. Okay, we're slowly creeping higher on this ES. Trying to get up to our target of 3709.75. All right, coming up to 07, 07 on the ES. Looks like we may hit target on the CS. My target is 0975. Euro US is trying to set up a double. We'll see if that holds. Yeah, the yen. Yeah, I see that short on the yen. I like this Euro US where we can get a double on it. Profit target hit. All right, there you go. So ES just hit its profit target. Takes us out of the E-mini S&P. Flat across the board. Still watching this natural gas for a potential short. Potential buy coming up on Euro US. Let's watch it. It's either going to be an 81 or 77. And the double did not hold, so no trade on the Euro US. So looking for this short on the natural gas. It's going to be a HF1 for Einstein. I like those, but we're still not there yet. We need to come down a little bit lower before we trigger short. Out of all the out of all the indices, and also out of the currencies. Had one trade on gold, nothing on silver this morning, nothing on crude. Bitcoin, interesting. I'm not a Bitcoin trader, but for those that are, I am getting a buy on Bitcoin. Target on Bitcoin is going to be 21,400. 21,400. And I bet people lost a lot of money in Bitcoin. Didn't it get up to like 65 or something like that? I don't see that coming back for a while. What's interesting, if you look at a daily chart on Bitcoin, I think if you look at it compared to the NASDAQ, I think they're real close correlation. So, which is kind of interesting. All right, so Bitcoin doesn't hit its target. It's going to reverse at 2275. Now at 196. All right, so I have a few more minutes here before the top of the hour. Once again, if you're watching us on YouTube and Facebook, please subscribe. It does help out my channel. Also, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you like my videos so we can continue to do this morning show. And make sure that you also hit that notification bell so we can keep you up to date on any new videos. We do have a 4-part series video coming out just on some of the basics of trading with Nadex, trading with these binaries. So make sure you get on that list and hit that notification bell. That should be out here shortly. Right now, as far as positions, I don't have anything on Bitcoin. Natural gas just went short. Natural gas just went short. And see if we can get a target on this natural gas. My target on natural gas is going to bring me down to 72.45. That is going to be my profit target on the short natural gas. Natural gas is also one of my favorites. Also, if we don't hit target, we're going to reverse it 73.95. All right, so the only thing I have out now is short a natural gas. So once again, if you have any questions, the best way to get a hold of me is at my website, binaryprostrategies.com. There's a way to send me your questions. And I do answer all the, anybody has a question, I do answer them personally. So if there's something you're not clear about, just shoot me an email. I'll be glad to answer your questions on my trading approach. I do use actually use 3 different approaches. I am using my core strategy. I'm using Crystal Ball, and I'm also using Einstein. And I use a combination of all 3 together. And there is some nice videos on my YouTube channel that kind of goes into a little bit on each one of them. So check those out under the educational videos. And that's it. So everybody, look, have a great weekend. Once again, thank you for joining us. Everybody have a great, safe weekend. We'll be back first thing on Monday morning. And good luck in trading today. Should have a really good trading day. Y'all take care.